Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to format a PC. Before you begin, it is crucial to back up all your important files and documents. Use an external hard drive or cloud service to save everything you need. Also, make sure you have all your software installation media and product keys ready. Finally, ensure your computer is plugged into a reliable power source to avoid any unexpected shutdowns during the process. This preparation saves a lot of trouble later. Once your backups are complete, it is time to start the formatting process. Restart your computer and immediately begin pressing the specific key, often F2, Delete, or F12, to enter your BIOS or UEFI settings. Navigate to the boot order menu and select your USB drive or DVD as the first boot device. Save these changes and exit, allowing your computer to boot from the installation media you prepared. After booting from your installation media, choose the Custom Installation option to manage your disk partitions. Carefully select the drive where you intend to install the operating system and delete all existing partitions on it. Then, create a new partition for your operating system. A minimum of 64 gigabytes is generally recommended. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the operating system installation, which will take some time. Congratulations, your PC is now formatted. The next crucial steps involve installing all the necessary device drivers for your hardware, ensuring everything functions correctly. Immediately update your operating system to include the latest security patches and features. Then, reinstall your essential applications and restore your backed up data. Finally, configure your security software and consider creating a system restore point for easy recovery in the future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.